Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and if you're returning, well, thank you for stopping back by again today. I'm going to be working on some farmhouse spring DIYs, and also new videos will be going up every Tuesday and Saturday, and I'll be doing at least 2 thrift store hauls and makeovers each month. Now for DIY number 1, we're going to create a farmhouse spring decor welcome bunny. And everyone, these little wood crate boxes are in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They're $3 and I love to use these for shelf sitters, and I love to make wall art out of these like I'm doing today. Just going to put one of those sawtooth hangers on the back, picked mine up at Lowe's, and then I'm going to be taking this sheepskin chalk paint and just brushing all over the box and just kind of dragging it through. And I didn't want to cover it completely because I wanted this to have that farmhouse feel to this design. And I'm going to brush it there on the inside and just leave a little bit, like I said, of the wood showing. And I picked up this little moss bunny also in that Dollar Tree Plus section. Now I decided to use this it's a little candle dish is what it is that I had in my craft stash. And you could use one of the little candles from Dollar Tree just as well. And I'm just going to hot glue my little bunny on there. And I do use the E6000 for just a little extra hold on some of these parts that I'm gluing on, especially the little glass candle dish here. But everyone, this was so simple, and I love it when we can make these designs that it just takes a few items to put it together. I'm going to be adding that moss from Dollar Tree in there, and then I picked up that little bouquet of flowers there at Dollar Tree. I've really been checking out their flowers in Dollar Tree, and they're getting some really pretty ones in for spring, and I think the smaller ones like this look a little bit more realistic. And now I picked up my welcome sign from Walmart, and I'm just going to touch that up with that magnolia white. And I decided to glue this on the inside of the box. I couldn't decide if I was going to put it diagonal there on the corner or in the inside, but I really like that kind of everything kept like on the inside to make it look like a little shadow box in there. But everyone, this was a really fun one. I hope this one gives you some inspiration to use one of these little crate boxes to create some wall art. I think it's just a really nice little piece to have hanging on your wall, and you could really do something with these all year long and decorate for each season. Well, everyone, I do hope that you can find a lot of the items that I used today at your local Dollar Tree. I know that we have a couple close to me, and I have been able to find quite a few items, and I'll try to pop in another one of the haul videos or the walkthroughs for you sometime here next week. Now, I'm just going to finish this one up by gluing on my welcome sign, and here it is hanging on the wall, and I think this one turned out so pretty, and it's a wonderful decor piece to add to my spring decor. Now for our next DIY, we're going to create a farmhouse spring decor jumping bunny. And actually, everyone, I got this one at the Dollar Tree Plus section. The little bunny came in that little narrow wood box, and I thought I am going to glue this to one of these wood panels from that Plus section. I'm just going to use some black chalk paint, and I wanted to go around and make a dark kind of frame for this design and then go over it and brush some white paint over top of it to really give it that kind of that farmhouse age look. And I have had some scrapbooking paper in my craft stash forever, and I'm going to try to be working through that and using up some of that. I don't know if you guys are like I am. It seems like I just keep buying these craft books with all this beautiful paper, but I never use it. So this year I'm going to try to start using some of mine. Now I'm going to take that same black chalk paint and just cover this box, and like I said, I wanted to really pull this in to kind of more of an age look and just give the box a little bit more dimension. But isn't this such a cute little box? And this one was $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and they had the galvanized bunnies and then they had the white bunnies. I actually add a little white paint to this bunny. And you can see I'm just taking my white paint and just kind of dragging it through and going around the edges. A little bit of it got on my greenery, but I was okay with that. It just give a little bit more age look to everything. But I took some of this, let me think what this one is. This is like the beige colored sandstone chalk paint. And I decided just to very lightly kind of brush that through. What I was trying to do is match a little bit of that color that was in that piece of paper there that I'm going to be putting on the wood board. And then I ended up just brushing a little bit of it on this paper. And look at this. I really love how that turned out. It really brought that color on there. So there's a little tip of something you can do. If it's not quite the right color, just add a little bit of your color on there that works with your decor. And I'm going to finish up my frame by just dusting that, a little bit of the white and a little bit of that sandstone. I think I got a little bit of each on my brush there. And I really just wanted to make that not look so black. And I decided to finish up the back of this one, and I've been doing that a lot lately, wanting to finish the back up of these designs, and because some of these I'm actually going to be selling. Now I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and brush that on, and I think I might have got that Mod Podge a little thick, everyone. I had a few little crinkles, but the next morning they dried really well. I just cut slits in the bubbles and pressed them down. Now I'm just going to take my hot glue and my E6000 and glue on my little box with my little jumping bunny, and this made such a fun little design. And I almost left it like this, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to pull that moss out again and just fill in all around the bottom of these flowers and my greenery stems. And boy, that one really finished this one off. It just gave it a little bit more texture to the design. And I like how it had all the different elements in there. And then you'll see in a moment, I wanted this bunny to really look like he was jumping through the flowers and the grass. So I decided to pull out a few of these little stems that I had picked up at Dollar Tree and just pop them in the back behind the bunny. And it really made this design turn out pretty. So you'll have to let me know, everyone, what you think of these. And like I said, did these give you some inspiration to create your own ideas like this? Well, everyone, I've got one more little wall art piece for you tonight. And you'll have to let me know if you have a favorite after we get through these. And I hope that you have enjoyed them today. And here we go in a moment. You'll see the wall art piece hanging on the wall. And I just love this once I got it hanging up on the wall. I thought it looked so pretty. I like that my walls are a light fog color, and I just thought this was so perfect for spring and summer, and I will probably leave this one up through those seasons. Now for DIY number 3, we're going to do this Farmhouse Spring Decor White Bunny, and this one's very simple, and this might have had a little tiny bit of the shabby chic vibe, but I was really wanting to see what I could do with these wood panels. And I decided to pull out that scrapbooking paper again. Now this color is called Java chalk paint, and it's a folk art brand. And I wanted to darken that up so I would have a little bit of that undertone color being darker. And I will brush this with quite a bit of the white, but I really liked that it had the undertone of that Java brown. And then when I sanded it off, it really helped it have a little bit of that farmhouse feel to it. But everyone, mentioning Farmhouse, let me know in the comments below, do you guys still want to kind of see a lot of the Farmhouse? I haven't been doing a whole lot of that. I've been really doing just the neutral decor, which I can do the neutral Farmhouse too, of course. I know some of these designs that I create really have that look to it anyway. But let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite style? Is it, you know, just the traditional farmhouse? Is it the neutral farmhouse? Is it just the neutral decor in general? Just drop that comment and let me know what your favorite is. Now I'm just going to take and glue my little white bunny right onto the front there. And then I found these little paper flowers in there with my scrapbooking paper. And I thought, I'm just going to pop these right around this little bunny's neck and make like a cute little necklace there. And I thought this was just a really simple little decor piece that you could also keep up straight through the summer and the spring and Easter. So it's a very versatile piece that you can use really all year long if you wanted to. Well, everyone, that was it for our DIYs. I hope you enjoyed these today. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really does help my channel. And make sure you comment. That actually helps me also to get the algorithm to kind of pick me up. And I love hearing from each and every one of you. And also, I would love it if you share with your friends. And if you are just a viewer of my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I have so much coming up this year that I want to be able to share with you. And we're going to do some more stuff out here in the studio, which is where I'm at today. And I'm bundled up, you can tell, in my big old sweater, but because it's really cold here in the mountains of the Carolinas. But everyone, I will try to get on camera more so I can say hello and so you can see my face. And I did actually put my hair down today, which I've got very thin hair anymore, but you know me, if you watch my channel, I always have it pulled up. But I'm getting ready to run out and see what else I can find. And I'll have that for you coming up Thursday when we do the thrift store makeovers in the thrift store haul. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this one today. And like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.